unbox my JBL speaker with me. I'm so happy because this is the first time I'm ever having a speaker. So that means that whenever I'm editing my video, I don't even know how to unbox this thing. Anyway, Olo has load. And whenever I'm editing my video, I'm gonna be hearing my voice via a speaker. Smells like, oh god, you know, like I wish you guys could just touch my heart to feel, oh god. Do you know that I've never had a speaker before? Like, never. This is JBL Flip 7. Okay, let me see. This is also a new dress. All right. So as I was trying the dress on, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys. Now come out now, don't stress me. Oh, don't stress my mental health. Nah. Come out. Eh? Where's the charger? Okay, there's a charger. Nah, don't scatter the whole thing. Guys, I promise you. Oh, this is the clip. I promise you I'm not this rough. Just I'm too excited. You clip this like this. Oh, yeah, it came out. You wanna know who's that girl? Okay, let's see what more they have here. Uh-oh. Wait, it doesn't come with charger. It doesn't have fun now. It doesn't wait, this thing doesn't come with charger. There's no charger. Okay. Now let's try the sound. Turn it on. Okay now. Okay, I've seen it. Flip. A minute silence. For the first time ever, I'm playing music using a speaker. Listen. Hello, baby. I'm in love. Baby, I'm in love. I'm in love with a cocoa. Let me go charge it up. No, say congrats to me in the comments. Say congrats to me in the comments. Clock it.